freak. Oh my god, dude.
What the heck is? Alright, good morning. It's currently like 9 o'clock in the morning. I just woke up. But today, I'm going to pull a little prank on my brother. Hopefully it works. So, my girlfriend made me this, she made me this like Google Play button for surpassing 100 subscribers. Whatever. It's a nice thought. I like it. Cool. But I thought I could do a prank on my brother with it, because he's dumb. He might believe it. He might not. So I guess we're going to find out. So I'm going to have my grandpa yell his name upstairs and say, "You have mail," or whatever. And then he's going to open it, and hopefully he believes it. If not, it's whatever. If he does, he's going to look stupid. But make sure you click that like button and shout out that subscribe button, because you already know it's going to be a good one. Yeah, but let's get it. What is he doing? I swear he would have thought I came up here. I swear. I thought he would have came up here.
Dude, you know we got a package from YouTube?
What?
Come here, dude. I have it downstairs. He said you have a package. I was like, what are you talking about?
He believes me. He believes me. Okay, so my brother just told me we got a package from YouTube. What are you talking
To the
about?
Trusty Twins, okay? Congrats. And it says, "To whoever this may concern, we have noticed the increase that your YouTube channel, the Trusty Twins, has had. We wanted to congratulate on surpassing 100 subscribers. We know you will do big things with our platform. This is the only beginning of your journey. Congrats."
What the heck?
That's what I'm saying.
What the heck? What the heck is?
This is so dope. Oh my god, man.
What the heck?
That is crazy. I didn't even know that was a thing. Oh my god. That's crazy. That's literally wild. Oh my god.
It's not. Ellie made it yesterday. Ellie made it yesterday for me. Ellie made it yesterday for me.
That's
So
why it smells like paint.
so I was like, this is gonna be a perfect time to prank him. He looks so stupid. Yeah. I didn't think you'd actually believe it. That's so funny.
What do you think it was?
It looks real though. It looks good.
It looks dope though.
What is it?
That's so
good.
fun. Thank you.
Really
that
good.
was good. I know.
Really good.
You're like, you're gonna YouTube like,
That was really good.
That's so funny. It looks good.
It looks real.
I know.
That's funny though.
Ellie made that for you?
Yeah. And then I was like, it's a perfect time for a
Wait,
prank.
like she actually just made it for you?
Yeah, she made it.
To prank him.
That's crazy.
To prank me or just to have?
No, just to have. But I was like, I'm gonna prank him with it. I typed all of this morning, and it doesn't look like that I would type it.
It looks dope.
That was funny. I didn't think you'd actually believe it. We're gonna make it on YouTube.
What am I supposed to believe?
That was
my
funny.
God.
That was good.
It's still really cool though.
Yeah, it looks good though.
That's funny. That was good.
Thank you.
That's good.
All right. Trust me, I am. All right, that's the end of this video. I did not think you'd actually enjoy, or I didn't think you'd believe it.
Look.
First of all,
This looks real, okay? It looks dope too.
but I didn't think you would believe it. Shout out to my girlfriend who made that, because it looks real. It's good. I like it. But
How did she make that?
this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I didn't think he'd believe it, but he did. Make sure you click that like button.
Shout out, subscribe button.
Because you already know it's going to be a good one.
A good one.